I want to show you guys that are members how to log into your Craft Plus portal, just in case you missed the class and you're not able to join. Okay, now you're going to go to our website. This is our homepage at www.betterfuturesdc.com. This is what it looks like. Now you're going to scroll on down and bam, right here, you see our Craft Plus app logo. You're going to click watch. Now, if you're a member, you will have already gotten your login codes in your email. Okay, now if you haven't, definitely email me at lriggins@betterfuturesdc.com, but you should have gotten it. Make sure to check your spam folder. Okay, now when you go in, you're going to come right here and you're going to click login, and it's going to bring you to this login form. Now, if you've already received your credentials, go ahead and click login and enter them here. Once you enter them in, you're going to click login. All right, and it'll bring you right into our portal, our Craft Plus portal. Now, you can actually utilize this on your computer, or you can go ahead and download an app so that you can watch all of our recordings on your phone. Okay, as you can see here, you have your dashboard, your home, stream. You can access our classes with stream. You can access our articles here, and our Craft Cafe live sessions are also here. So anything you want. Let's start here with the classes. You have tons of thumbnails to choose from of where you want to start. And let's see, tons of titles. Where are we gonna go? All right, you know what, let's go here. Hire a tax professional in your niche. All right, you see there's one episode. We're gonna click on that and it pops up here. You can press play. Have any questions, definitely send me an email. Enjoy.